What's up, guys, and we're back with another video, man. Another cooking video in process right now, guys. All right, man, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up, watch it all the way through, man. Also subscribe, share videos, do all that good stuff, man. We're trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers, man. We're trying, on the road to success, man. All right, so today what we're going to be cooking is be cooking wings today, man. Wings, man. That's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. All right, I already got my oil burning already, man. I've been having it here for like 10 minutes, I think. I believe so. All right, what type of wings we're gonna be making today? I'm going to do some lemon pepper wings, lemon pepper hot wings. So hot wings mixed with lemon pepper, man. I make my shit to the hottest, man. But hopefully we come out with that lemon pepper flavor still, man. Man, this gonna be good, man. Whew. You guys stay tuned, man. Watch this. Watch how we do this, man. So actually what I'm about to do right now, I'm gonna dry all these because they're kind of wet. So I'm gonna dry all the wings in this bowl. Before we put them in there, you wanna dry every single last one of them, man. Get them from being wet. So because the way I do it, I just drop these into the oil, man, just like this, man. Barefoot, just like this, man. And then once they're done, actually start floating and all that, whoop, 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 put them in the sauce, man. Drip. Let me go ahead, dry all these off real quick for you guys. Back this up so you guys can see. Dry every last one of these off, man. Alright, guys, now that I have my wings dried off, man, I think this oil is hot enough. I believe it is. It should be. It's been sitting here for a good minute now. So once we figure out that's hot enough, we're just gonna drop the wings in there, man, one by one, man. I leave them there for about 10 minutes or until they start floating. I don't know what time. I just know when they start floating, you bring them things out. You feel me? So we're gonna do that right now. All right, guys, I found out, yeah, this is hot enough. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna drop them in there like that. I'm gonna use this and just lay them, man, because this stuff gonna go everywhere. I already know, man. Let's see. Oh, I hear it. Drop. Oh, yep, I know, too hot. I'm going everywhere, son. It's all right. I'm making this in the kitchen, man. It's all right. Let me drop some more in there, man. So I kill. All right, man. We have them all in there right now, man. So once they start flowing, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what the guys look like and show you how I dip them in this sauce. Let me get my barbecue sauce out too, man, so we can make some barbecue sauce one for my girl. Let me see. I'll give her this one. Give her this. Just regular barbecue sauce, man. This is the original, man, right here. This that Kroger brand, man. Y'all know about it, man. You need to know now, man. I might give her a little kick flavor. She might not know, though. So I might mix some of this barbecue sauce with this and give it a little sharp, spicier flavor for her. So she won't even realize it, I guarantee you guys. So once these start to flow, man, I'm gonna come back and show you what it look like, man. And show you what to do. And show you how we dip all our sauces in, man. Watch out. All right, guys, Mello here. All right, I'm back. All right, this is what I mean when it's flowing to the top, man. Once this gets to this point, man, basically means they're done. But I do a step 2. I do another step so I actually know they're actually ready, man. But once we get from here, we're gonna pull all these out, put them in here, let all the grease get all to the napkin, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know what. Y'all know what. Then I'm gonna start mixing up all my ingredients right here into this bowl right here, man. You guys, watch how I do this. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take my lemon pepper. You know, I'm gonna whip that in there. All right, add it in there. All right, and then hot sauce. Yup, just like that. Tabasco. A few of those. Yup. Now I got my pepper sauce right here, man. Sheesh. Shit. Drop. Swirl. Alright. Mix that up. Ooh, shit getting very well. Oh yeah, this gonna be. Yeah, I already tasted it. It's gonna be fire. Gonna warm that up. Those up. I got my wings here. Okay. My sauce warmed up. Warmed up, man. Warmed up. Alright, what we're gonna do is just take every wing, or most of them, and then put them in there, man. That's all we're gonna do. Stir them babies up. Alright, you guys remember when I said I had my 2 ways to making sure all this sauce stays on there? Second way is this air fryer right here, man. So once I get done saucing it up, you know what I'm saying? I take my wings, put them in the air fryer. So I gotta do both sets. I gotta do the barbecue ones for her. But I take these wings, put them in here, and I put them in the air fryer. This air fryer, it makes sure all this flavor and all this stays onto the wings. It attaches it on there, man. It does the final trick it needs to do, man. So you guys, watch this. Alright guys, this is how the wings turned out. That's my side over here, man. That's her side, man. It makes it crunchy for you. It's good stuff right there, man. Got my fries ready over here, man. It's gonna be time to eat, man. It's time to eat. I'll tell y'all how it tastes in a minute, man. Watch this. Alright guys, man, this is how it turned out, man. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful wings. Good fries, man. You know, side of ranch, man. You don't eat your wings with ranch, man, you wrong. I don't know what's wrong with you again, man. You need to do better, man. Because this is crazy, man. Delicious food. Cooked by your boy, one and only, you know, Mellow. Man, if you guys enjoyed this video, man, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share, man. We just trying to grow from here, man. Trying to grow, man. Make this some type of living, get money off this, whatever it is, man. I got more funny videos and videos, cooking videos, motorcycle videos, all that coming soon, man. I'm gonna inform you guys what happened to my bike as soon as I know, as soon as we gonna know what happened to it, or if I'm getting another one or not. Another video's coming soon, man. Just stay tuned. Guys, thanks, man. Subscribe, like, man. Do all that for me, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Stay up. Your boy Mellow is out.